for Mass Media and Communication, si Marjorie De Jesus. Marjorie is from Bawang, ano yun? Bawang Laon yun. Ivy is from Apayao. Representative ni Apayao dito ka. Okay, our Vice President for Marshall is Beatrice, si Beth Dugel, and Jules Rivera. Masisipag sila talaga, actually. Ang sisipag nila. Our Vice President for Logistics is Inoy Blas and Harry Luares. Inoy is from Apayao. Apayao. Sorry po. Ifugao community, and Harry is from Surigao Non. So our President for Livelihood is Maribel Ridolfin, is from Filipino Livelihood Organization. For Health and Wellness, we have Julie Faye Bakirin. Julie Faye is from Limela. United Migrant Entrepreneur, ganyan. Haba kasi, my God. Our General Secretary is Jessica Kahilig. Jessica is okay. Si Jessica is also from Filipino Livelihood. Naka-2-term na siya. Actually, karamihan naman sa kanila is nare-retain sila sa posisyon, yung iba bago din. So our Assistant Secretary is Jenny. Asan si Jen? Si Jen is my event. Si Jen is from Mabika. Our treasurer is Manang Patricia Rakmak. Nasaan ka? She is from Santol Association. Siya yung treasurer ng... Yeah.
May pera sa balon.
Our assistant treasurer is Norma Capistrano from GMGI. Nasa Bru. She is nasa Bru nag-volunteer. Our auditor is Hazel. Hazel is from Kabisig, and Lindy Pakibar is from POA. There. So sila yung mga executive committee natin for the year 2025 to 2027. Sila yung nagpapatakbo ng Global Alliance. Our coordinators pala meron tayong coordinators from Mindanao, Visayas, La Union, CAR, at saka sectoral. Our coordinators from Mindanao, si Nilma Carigaba is from Mindanao, Eleanor Pisidas, and Marivic Orozco. From Visayas, we have Irene Agudo, Edna Libuon, and Catherine Lumbang. Yun si Edna. Edna is from One Visayas. From Cordillera, we have Gemma. Saan si Gemma? Si Gemma, si Conchita. Gemma is from CWC, Cordillera Women's Club. Si Conchita is from Mountain Province Federation. At saka si Masay is from Benguet Federation. Saan si Masay? And from sectoral. Yung mga grupo kasi, like itong mga bagong pasok, nasa sectoral kayo kasi hindi kayo nabilong sa Luzon na region at saka sa Visayas at sa Mindanao. So you belong to the sectoral. Medyo madaming sectoral pag nag-sports fest tayo, talunin natin sila. Sa sectoral is si Melody Sotero. Melody is from Luz Biminda. Si Cleo Madronio is from GISCI. And si Lorraine Asuncion is from Sandigan. Okay, representative Lorraine.
Dito kayo. Bakit ipila ba ako dito?
We would like to welcome the presence of Mr. Melvin. Saan si Melvin? From Saranay, Hong Kong, pero hindi pa muna siya nag-fill up ng membership. Mag-observe daw muna siya. So, sir, ganito kami kadami. Actually, as of now, sa record ng consulate at OWA, we are the biggest organization in Hong Kong. So, ilan na tayo? Hindi. 60, I think. We are 60 as of the moment. Actually, halos every week, nag-emergency meeting kami kasi every week, maraming development sa mga events. Ang Global Alliance pala, to let you know, is the partner of OWA and Philippine Consulate for their events. Lahat ng events ng OWA, ang partner ng OWA is Global Alliance. Lahat ng volunteers sa 18th floor, leaders ng Global Alliance yun. Ang event ng Consulate, tayo din yung partner nila. So, palakpakan yung mga sarili nyo.